Does rep speed and range of motion affect muscle growth? When we look at the research literature on rep speed, what you see is if you equate the number of repetitions and use the same amount of weight, the slower rep speed is better. But that being said, that's because the slower rep speed is getting you closer to failure in proximity of failure. So for example, if you use a light weight and only do 12 reps with a slow rep speed, it's more challenging. You're getting closer to failure than doing, say, a light weight going quickly. What we do see is that if you take either one within a similar proximity of failure, you get similar results. You might get actually a little bit better results with doing the faster tempo, because there seems to be something about a faster eccentric that creates a little bit more muscle damage. I wouldn't say this research is totally clear, but for the most part, they appear to be similar in terms of their effects on hypertrophy, as long as you're getting close enough to failure with both. The benefits to a slow tempo is you can use a lighter weight, so if you have some kind of injury or if you have pain that's accentuated by using a fast velocity, you can do a tempo with lighter weight, maybe have less pain, and you still get close enough to failure to induce muscle growth. When it comes to range of motion, we do see that range of motion is positive for muscle growth compared to shortened reps, but it appears to be just because you're putting the muscle in a stretch position under tension. Because if we look at partial ranges of motion reps in the lengthened position, so for example, if I'm doing a curl and I'm just doing partials in this lengthened position here versus partials in this contracted position here, the partials in the lengthened position appear to induce similar amounts of growth compared to a full range of motion. So what we think is probably the most important thing is, one, just getting it close enough in proximity of failure, and two, making sure you're having some mechanical tension in that stretch position of the muscle.